It's time to check your learning. Match the word with its meaning. Pause here while you are doing it. Let's check the answer together if you are done. The first word is shan. Shan. It means mountain. The second word is chuan. Chuan. It means river. While they two may sound similar, but they are different. Do you notice it? This one is shan. Shan. So when you pronounce this word, your lips are in natural way, so it's kind of relaxed. But when you pronounce this one, chuan, chuan, do you notice your lips push forward a little bit to form a small circle? So this is chuan, chuan. So can you tell the difference now? This one is shan, shan. This one, chuan, chuan. The next one is shi, shi. It means stone. The last one is tu, tu. It means soil. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next test. Write the Chinese characters according to this pronunciation and picture. Let's check the answer if you are done. The first word is shan, shan. It means mountain. The second word is chuan, chuan. It means river. The third word is tu, tu. It means soil. The last one is shi, shi. It means stone. So how's it going? I'd love to see your feedback in the comments. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。